Hello everybody, welcome to Shweihninzy vlog number 1. Out today. Gonna do a little shopping errand run. I got ready this morning. Come with me. And you'll see. Gotta lock that door. Right. As I was saying, today we're going to be doing a vlog. I asked you guys on Instagram what you wanted to see from me, and we're gonna do some vlogs. I've been really inspired to do some vlogging, and so today we've been doing a lot of stuff. Got ready this morning. I took it kind of slow. It's 4:30 right now, so it's a late start, but that's okay. We're out here, we're doing things. So let's go. All right, let's see. My boyfriend's been working on this pizza all day. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. He made this completely from scratch. Completely. That looks
dough.
Yeah, the dough and everything. Obviously we put the cheese and the pepperonis. He put a little jalapenos. That looks amazing. You did a great job. Good job. Let's see how it tastes. Can't get any better than that. Wow. How's it? Is it good?
Good. It's thick.
Oh, it's thick? She thick? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Wow. 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 Hello everybody, today is September 3rd, I almost said September 2nd, I kept saying that, but anyway, I am a terrible vlogger. I said I was gonna show us doing some errands, running around, and I never did. You guys, vlogging is it's just in another realm. I can't remember to pick up my camera and do things. So, we're running to the stove, gonna do some things, and yeah. At Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx right now. Just in the beauty section, just kind of looking around. It's just been hard because like I can't wear anything out in public or anything.
Big or small?
Yeah.
Not medium.
There's the medium. It's pretty. Ooh, it got humid over here. Should we get more wipes?
Maybe.
never go to the grocery store hungry. We're at the grocery store right now. I'm super hungry, getting all the yummy things. All the things. Again, this vlogging thing, I keep forgetting to whip out my camera. Alright, we have everything?
I don't think so.
Okay, let's go to the checkout. I'm in my swimsuit right now, which is why I look a little funny. But I have some things from Amazon. I got some more camera equipment. I don't know if you guys know, but I have a Osmo Pocket, the DJI Osmo Pocket, which is something I'm still learning. I used an Osmo when I worked one of my social media jobs, and I really, really enjoyed it. So I'm trying to use this more for vlogging and stuff. So I got some accessories. I got a car mount, which I'll show you. And then I got just some more micro SD cards, just some really cheap ones. And then I wanted to try a microphone because the audio on the DJI is not the best. So I got an adapter for the DJI. So let's open this up to see if it works. I got the cheaper one, which isn't like a DJI specific one, but it's just a USB-C to like headphone jack type of deal. Oh, I got some more acne patches. I've been trying a bunch of different acne patches, so this is a new thing of acne patches, which I absolutely love. And here is the microphone. Oh, so it actually comes with so the microphone, a clip, and then actually a lapel attachment, which is really cool. Let's pop this in, and then maybe I can switch over to the DJI. It is a beautiful day out here. I got myself some Dunkin' Donuts. I get an iced coffee with mocha and almond milk. What is your favorite Dunkin' Donut drink? I really want to try other things. I get something different at Starbucks. Like, I love their coconut milk, so I get coconut milk at Starbucks. So I get different things at different places. So let me know what your Dunkin' drink recommendations are. I have my hair in these two, like, French or Dutch braids and like these little buns. So let me put this in and let's see what it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Is this thing on? Hello? Hello? I got the mic all set up. We're testing footage. I got my new car rig that my boyfriend set up for me. So I wonder how bumpy this is gonna be. It looks really shaky. Oh gosh, oh dear. is like after 11 o'clock at night. We got back from like swimming and hanging out at my boyfriend's mom's house and just, you know, doing things over there. We're gonna go back there tomorrow, get some more pool time in, try and get some more sunshine, some more vitamin D. I know a lot of you guys are saying my skin is looking so much better, but I'm still dealing with a lot of hormonal breakouts, ones that I can't control. And I know I had mentioned to you guys that I haven't worn makeup in 4 months. The last time I wore makeup was in my last tutorial, which was back in the end of April, and it's now September. I haven't worn makeup this whole quarantine. It's kind of crazy. I haven't worn it at all, but my skin is still going through like major hormonal changes. There's some other things that I found out about, like, I could go into a whole other video, but as you guys know, I'm 28. I'll be 29 in December. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so old. And yeah, I'm just kind of overwhelmed with everything that I'm learning about my body and things that I can and can't control and stuff like that. So we're just hanging out. We watched Love Island. Who's watching Love Island, the USA version right now? I started watching the British version and I was hooked. Love Island. But yeah, it's definitely going well. So that's kind of what we're up to right now. So you saw we were playing with the kittens. We did that maintenance, cutting their nails, brushing them, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you guys some tricks that Luna can do. I don't know if I've included that in the vlog before, but Luna is a smart lady, so I'll show you guys how smart she is. Get down, Luna. Oh, you already sit. Oh, good girl. Up, up, good girl. Up, up, good girl. Nope, bump. We're working on that one. She lifts her paw, that's about it. And then Leo's back there. AA, up, up, good girl. Here goes, you're so smart. So there we go. Miss Luna the smarty, right? Big sister. Huh? She's like, I'm out. So yeah. Arlo's giving me the dirty look like, feed me more treats, woman. But you didn't see him normally. He's like, nom, 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 nom. He's a silly boy, aren't ya? Aren't you a silly boy? Say bye, Leo.